Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My channel is all about lifestyle where I share all about skincare, hair care, detox recipes, organic and homemade recipes. In today's video, we are making DIY 10 coffee hair mask that promotes hair growth, adds shine and strengthens your strands, all with natural ingredients you already have at home. Can your morning coffee do more than wake you up? I tried coffee on my hair for 7 days and the results were surprising. Coffee is a powerful natural treatment for your hair. From hair growth to shine, coffee masks are going viral for a reason. In this video, we will discuss 10 easy coffee hair masks, their benefits and how to use them in the right way. These masks will be game changer for you. Let's discuss why coffee is important. Caffeine stimulates blood flow to the scalp, which promotes hair growth. It exfoliates scalp and removes product buildup. Antioxidants in coffee fights dullness and damage. It can even darken grays naturally over time. It helps repair damaged hair and restore shine. These coffee masks will be your best friend. Coffee nourishes, stimulates, and revives your hair all without harsh chemicals. So let's discuss 10 coffee masks which are easy to make. Let's first is one for the dry hair. In a bowl, add 1 to 2 spoon of coffee. The next ingredient we are going to add is coconut oil. Coconut oil penetrates the hair shaft better than most oils, helping to prevent dryness, frizz, and split ends. It boosts circulation, supports thicker, faster hair growth. The one that I'm adding here is a cold pressed coconut oil. You can use a regular coconut oil also. We are going to mix and apply from roots to ends. Leave for 30 minutes. Rinse with shampoo. Should be a herbal shampoo. The next mask is for scalp health. For that, in a bowl, we are going to add 1 to 2 spoons of coffee. You can add aloe vera gel, can be store bought. Aloe vera reduces dandruff and itching. It promotes healthy hair growth and repairs damaged strands, tames frizz and smooths texture. It also moisturizes dry hair and scalp. So you can always add aloe vera or any ingredient as per the ratio. Let it sit for the 20 to 30 minutes. Then you can rinse thoroughly with herbal shampoo. Let's see the next. It is for conditioning purpose. In a bowl, take 1 to 2 tablespoon of coffee, then add few drops of olive oil and then drizzle some honey as per the requirement. Then mix and make it a semi-thick, semi-thin paste and apply on your hair. Now let me show you the condition of my hair before applying mask. These are my hair which are very dry right now, very frizzy, untamed. Right now there is no shine on my hair and they badly need a hair mask. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply the hair mask. You can apply it with the hair brush or any brush or maybe with the help of your fingers as per your convenience. I'm going to apply it on my scalp, on my hair properly. I'm going to leave this mask for 20 to 30 minutes and then we'll wash it. And these are my hair after applying the mask. You can see they are so soft, silky, shiny, and there are no frizz. They are not at all dry, so give it a try. The next one is for the thicker hair and preventing grays. In a bowl, take 1 to 2 tablespoons of coffee. The next ingredient we are going to add is amla powder or gooseberry powder, and then we are going to add few drops of olive oil. Amla is rich in vitamin C. It promotes faster, thicker hair growth. It also treats dandruff, itchiness and other scalp issues. We are going to mix it and apply on the hair and leave it for 30 minutes and then you can wash it off with herbal shampoo or with plain lukewarm water. Before applying any mask, it is very important to detangle your hair and then apply it with a brush or with your fingertips as per your convenience, and cover your head with a shower cap and then let it sit for 30 minutes. That's me after washing the hair. After one use, my hair felt softer, they looked shinier and had a natural bounce. All thanks to this simple coffee mask. You will notice reduced frizz, a smooth texture and healthy shine. The next one is for oil scalp and product buildup. For that, take 1 to 2 tablespoons of coffee and then add multani mitti or fuller's earth. Next, we are going to add rice water or you can also add rose water. If you have oily scalp or buildup, try this purifying mask. Use it on lengths only on the scalp and not on the hair. It absorbs oil and buildup. It refreshes scalp, leaves hair light, clean and bouncy. These masks leave your hair feeling nourished, energized, and visibly more vibrant from root to tip. Healthy hair doesn't have to be complicated, just caffeine, care, and consistency is enough. It gives you healthy shine we all crave, no salon is needed. It felt like a mini spa treatment for my hair, no more dryness. The next one is for hair fall and strength. These are the soaked fenugreek seeds or methi dana as we call in Hindi. Blend it to make it a paste. Then in a bowl add 1 to 2 tablespoons of coffee and then 1 big tablespoon of fenugreek paste. You can add 1 to 2 tablespoons as per the convenience or the according to the length of the hair. Mix well and apply on your hair and you will see the difference. This mask is a game changer. Try yourself. The next one is for scalp detox. In a bowl again add 1 to 2 tablespoons of coffee and then that's yogurt. If you have weak roots, dandruff, this coffee yogurt mask is your fix. Mix well, massage onto your scalp, leave for 20 minutes, rinse. It is best for scalp exfoliation and strength. It will nourish your roots also and you will have smoother ends. The next one is for dry hair repair. Mash one dry banana with the help of a fork or you can even blend it. Then you can add 1 to 2 tablespoons of coffee and then 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Blend until smooth or you can mix it with the help of a spoon also. Apply to your hair for intense hydration, softness and damage repair. This combo improves circulation and nutrient absorption in the scalp, encouraging faster and healthier hair growth. Banana helps reduce frizz and makes hair feel soft, silky and shiny. The next one is for the extreme hair growth boost. For that we are going to add 1 tablespoon of coffee in a bowl and then next we are going to add onion juice. This may sound unusual but combining coffee and onion juice creates a potent hair mask that targets hair fall, promotes growth and revive your hair. The smell of onion can be strong but mixing it with coffee powder or even brewed coffee balances out and the results are worth it. Regular use leads to visibly stronger strands and improved hair density over time. Coffee enhances natural color and shine while onion juice nourishes hair follicle. The next one is for the shiny hair. In a bowl take 1 to 2 tablespoons of coffee and then next we are going to add brewed green tea which is cooled. We are going to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of this green tea into this and we are going to mix it and apply on the hair. Both contain caffeine which improves blood circulation in the scalp and encourages hair follicles to grow stronger and faster hair. Now let's talk about challenge results. Here's what I noticed after 7 days. Softer, shiner hair, less hair fall, scalp felt more refreshed, subtle darker tone on strands. Now there can be some questions which can arise in your mind. For example, can coffee stain light colored hair? Yes, temporary. Always patch test first. Second, does it smell? Your hair might smell like coffee while wet, but it fades away after rinsing. Now the next thing is how to apply coffee hair mask properly. Apply to clean damp hair. Massage it to the scalp for 3 to 5 minutes. Cover with a shower cap. Leave for 20 to 30 minutes. Rinse with mild sulfate-free shampoo. Do a patch test first. Do not overuse. Once or twice weekly is enough. Avoid if your hair is light blonde or bleached. Whether you are looking to boost growth, add shine, or detox your scalp, coffee hair masks are an easy natural solution. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and share it with someone who needs a hair care upgrade and subscribe for more DIY beauty tips and natural remedies. See you in the next one.